It was moving.
There it is.
Got it?
Yep, right in there.
Oh, I see it. Some trees in front of the way now.
Oh, never mind, you got it.
Sorry.
All right, so we are hunting our way out right now. Just got back to my truck. We got here at like 8:30 this morning and got out, and it's now currently 1:19, and we are 7 grouse away from a 3-man limit. We have harvested 3 of the 4 species. We don't have the sooties up here. They're more down by Juneau. But we've gotten a couple sharp tails, a lot of ruffed grouse, and a couple spruce grouse. And I definitely got 2 that I'm going to put on the wall, because the sharp tail is absolutely beautiful and the only one I shot all day. And then a very gorgeous, monstrous ruffed grouse. So we're gonna hunt our way out here, then we're gonna get some photos and call it a day. But it's been one heck of a hunt, especially getting out with my buddy David and his son Landon. It's been a blast to just get out. So definitely want to do this more. Might try to come back out next weekend and grouse hunt, because we're allowed 15 birds a day here. So we're gonna see what happens on the way out. Oh, there he is, behind the tree.
Zoe.
Bird!
Here, here, here. Here, here. Here. Come on, Zoe. Good hen. Oh, yeah, we're not waiting on the dog. She'll eat them.
Oh.
Sometimes she'll bring them, but then other times she'll pull feathers out. Come on, Zoe.
Nice shot.
Good girl, bring. Here. Here. Come on. Good girl. Drop.
Always aim for the head on mine.
Yep.
No, Zoe. Here, 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 here.
Zoe!
Here. Zoe. Stop. Got one good one. I said sharp tails, but those are roughs.
Give me your foot.
Two males.
Oh, you hit a double.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Those taste good. Zoe, here.
I hit my
Here.
first double. I
Come
hit
here.
my first double 2 weeks
Here.
ago.
Did you?
Yeah.
Zoe.
Double spruce.
Nice.
This happened. I lit. Right in here. Right there.
Nice shot.
Thank you.
Mine didn't.
Yeah. Started taking off running and then stopped and turned and looked at me.
It's like, yep, that's where you messed up.
I'm like, yep, should have kept running there, dude.
Pretty?
Pretty.
Pretty. Not as pretty as that one you got, but.
Yeah, not as pretty as that. Oh, you got that? Right there. See it?
Shut my truck door.
Stop, 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 stop.
I was wondering if that was one or not. I was like trying to look at it. There's two. Get it?
I think so. Get the bird. Bring the bird here. Or don't.
You tell me.
So I was using the term in here, one of my favorite movies. I like it. It's one of the rare instances where a movie is so much better than a book. Thomas Pynchon's Inherent Vice was made into a film. Anyway, we were talking about when we had David Grant on.
All right. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. We're 10 away.
36. I'm out of shells. Gosh darn it.
Don't worry, I got you.
Okay. That other one's back there still.
Yeah.
You gonna get that one you just knocked?
Nope, I'm gonna get that one.
Wasn't there another one?
Yeah, I dropped him. He was up in the...
As far as that one flew, I thought he flew further.
No, he went up in one of these trees. He's